Hello friends, welcome to our English learning channel. Our today's topic is how to develop our fluency in speaking. The first and very common method to develop our fluency is conversation. Conversation means speaking to each other, and it is one of the LSRW skills. I am concentrating today only on skill number 2, that is speaking. However well you speak, remember your speaking will improve. However badly you can speak, remember you can be excellent. So don't worry whether you are speaking British English or American English. Learn standard Indian English. But unfortunately, we cannot learn that standard Indian English. We learn the local English, which is not enough. Therefore, today's speech is to give you ideas how to develop our speaking power. I am speaking to you. My speaking is improving, not yours. When you will start speaking, your speaking will improve. Because skill means that which can be learnt and that which can be forgotten also. Soft skill, soft skill is one of the skill which is very important in communicative English. Conversation needs two things. One is you must have to know some language. You must be able to speak some language. Even if you cannot speak continuously one sentence, don't worry. You can say 4 words in English and 4 words in your mother tongue first day. Second day, eight words in English and 2 words in your mother tongue. After a week, all English, no mother tongue. And after a month, more confidence. But if you sit quietly, you can never learn how to speak. Conversation needs another one thing, and that is idea. Our students are very intelligent, brilliant. The world is telling you that you are intelligent, but they are not willing to speak. Very lazy. We love to be lazy. We don't like to practice. So, my suggestion, speak one story to others or to yourself every day. Our life is also a story, so many episodes every day. So, please try to write a story and speak to yourself every day. You will get better. So, first you have to build up content, then you have to build up language. In speaking, there are two things. One is fluency and one is accuracy. I am going to talk to you about fluency today. Fluency means if one can think and speak at the same time. So try to speak every day at least for 30 minutes. You will get better. Remember, the best student today cannot get the highest success. An average student today can get the highest success because of English, because of spoken English. So friends, I hope it will be useful for you. Please like, comment and share among your friends. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. That's all for today. Thanks. Take care.